What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update price prediction on XVG Verge guys, which has pumped up again nearly 30% in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at 0.008292 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. It keeps pumping and then dropping back down in value, so on and so on. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it for the long term before it pumps up even higher? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Verge go, and is there crypto worth investing into in 2023? And it's essentially covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also both short-term and long-term investors. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys may have noticed, the crypto market today has not been too well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of the cryptos are down nearly about 2 to 3%, as you guys can see. However, XVG has managed to stay on the green side. So yes, the market is down 2%, and XVG is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has dropped quite a bit, over 5% in value. However, overall, it is still up 29%. Over the week, a huge 217% guys. It all started off about 3-4 days ago, last Sunday, where it pumped up all the way up here to nearly 270%, nearly hitting the 1 cent target, dropped back down, and right now pumping back up. So yes, this crypto has been quite volatile over the last couple of days, but it has clearly been moving towards the positive direction, and over the month, over a 330% increase, which is absolutely insane. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume, however, has dropped over 50% in the last 24 hours, making it $226 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. However, the only reason why it's dropped by 50% is because of the drop that took place yesterday and in the early hours of this morning. But right now, it is slowly starting to pump back up in value. So we are going to see more people investing into the crypto, more people trading it, buyers, sellers, and so on and so on. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the SMA indicator giving us the average value of Verge, which is here in purple at 0.003143 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at more than double its average value at 0.008377 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from XVG over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect Verge to be trading at slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently dropping from this point onwards over the next 12 hours. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours as well, so potentially up to about 0.009 cents over the next 2, 3, 4 hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to just below 0.008 cents is what I'm expecting Verge to be trading at towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the orange line still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So this is quite of an interesting one guys. We got both the lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning according to the graph, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, we should expect Verge to be more or less trading around its current price range. However, I am expecting Verge to be trading over the 1 cent target by mid next week, guys. Again, doesn't mean it's going to be hitting green candles every day for the next 7 days. Of course not. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of days. We are going to see up and down green and red candles over the next couple of days, but we should be slowly heading upwards to over the 1 cent target by mid next week is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, as mentioned previously, whenever the MACD indicator looks this steep, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here as well. So yes, it's not realistic. It's way too steep to be going in a bullish direction. The only reason is the pumps that's been taking place over the last couple of days has made the graph think, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, even though yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Verge over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm talking about late August, early September 2023. I'm not expecting any major pumps, bull runs or anything like that. Potentially heading up to just over 2 cents is what I'm expecting from Verge over the next approximately 2 months. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. Any little news can have a major impact on this crypto, not just this crypto but the crypto market in general. So that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on what to expect, what to predict from the crypto market, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, because more or less Bitcoin is what drives the market in a bullish and bearish direction. But yeah, so as mentioned in the thumbnail, when can it hit 10 cents? Personally, guys, not this year. I'm going to keep it straight. I'm not expecting Verge to be hitting the 10 cents target this year, but Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting it to slowly head up to the 10 cents target. But of course, this depends on the crypto market. If it goes through any crashes, bull runs, price bumps, these things will have a major impact on most of the cryptocurrencies out there. It may delay the process or make the process come faster, depending on if it pumps or crashes and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Verge, like you guys have requested. You guys seem to be enjoying Verge updates, so if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.